Hello, my lovely Misfitians, and welcome back to another Let's Chat with Carrie video. So first of all, I want to say, if my voice is going in and out, it's because I lost my voice this week. For about 2 days, I lost my voice, and I think it's because I've been recording so much. My voice just completely gave out. So if you hear kind of in and out, like, that's because my voice is still struggling, but it's a lot better than what it was. Another thing is, you'll probably notice I'm in a different place. I'm in my living room right now with my boo tree right behind me, that I put up this week. I was going to film in the art studio, but there is a huge, very noisy cicada bug right outside of my window. And so I set everything up and I was like, I can't do this. All I'm going to hear is just like right in my ear. So I was like, okay, let's just switch things up. So you get to see my living room all kind of decked out in Halloween stuff. I also got this little cute mug this week from Target. It's a little boo cup. I absolutely love it. I'm drinking decaf coffee. I'm slowly trying to switch to decaf. I've been drinking about a cup of caffeinated coffee, but I'm trying to slowly wean off of that without getting major migraine headaches, because I was super addicted back in the day to caffeine. And I'm really proud of myself. I have weaned down to 1 cup a day, and I'm trying to slowly wean down now even further to just decaf. So anyway, that's kind of what's been going on here. And I have a couple of announcements as well as some things that I just want to talk to all of you about. So the very first thing I want to talk about is the course. The course was supposed to go live this week, but we had some internal issues with the server, basically what holds our website. And so Steven had to switch servers. If you've been inside of Misfit Land, you saw that there was a banner basically saying he's switching servers, doing some technical stuff, which I don't fully understand all of it. My husband does all of that. So this week was a little bit nice. I took a little bit of a break since I couldn't really do anything since he was migrating a lot of stuff and doing computer stuff that I don't fully understand. So I got caught up on housework as well as putting up the boo tree, and kind of just took it easy a little bit this week while he did that. I do have an announcement for when the course is going to launch, though. We have been testing the site. It looks like everything is fine. Everything's been migrated. Basically, the main thing was, the reason why we migrated is the site wasn't running as fast as we would like. So sometimes like images wouldn't show up, or emojis would change. So we decided to switch to a different server just to make things faster. It wasn't a security thing or anything. It was just because we felt like it could be better than what it was operating as. So we decided to change that. But I have a new announcement date for the course. So this coming Friday, that will be September 22nd. I'm going to launch basically inside of Watercolor Misfit Land the course that you're seeing on the channel, and you'll be able to get all the extra stuff that I talked about last week. Basically the drawing template, the extra video, which is color mixing, for this course, and tons of other stuff. It's a huge amount of stuff that I put together. So that will be launching this coming Friday. And what I'm going to do is charge $1 for it, like I talked about earlier. And for the time being, it will just be $1. So you'll get everything for $1. Plus you can binge watch the entire series. The entire series will already be up ad-free inside of Watercolor Misfit Land, instead of having to wait for it to slowly release on YouTube. So that's the first thing that you will see inside of Watercolor Misfit Land, and that's going to launch, like I said, September the 22nd. We've already established that, got it all set up and ready to go. And then the next thing I wanted to talk about was just how thankful I am to all of y'all. So I have been reading the comments on the videos and just seeing all of you so excited. I know last week was basically a trailer, like a sneak peek of what's coming out. And then yesterday was the first actual official video of the series, which is basically the benefits of tracing. And just seeing the comments and seeing them on the Let's Chat videos and everything, it's been overwhelmingly positive. And I was honestly really worried that, I don't know, I was worried that people would kind of be like, this isn't that cool and stuff. But to me, it was like really neat. And so I'm just so thankful, y'all, that y'all are excited about this, and it makes me really excited. So thank you for the sweet comments, and I've been trying to respond to all of them, and it's just really made my week. With everything that has just happened over the past couple of years, it really felt like I was kind of behind. Like, I just felt like I was trudging up this upward hill with like this boulder almost on my back. And it feels like after launching the course last week and just reading all of your comments and everything, it just feels like, okay, all of that was worth it. Like, this is the reason why. Like, I had to go through all of that to learn a lot and to basically take a step back in order to reprocess and rethink about stuff. And I feel I'm so excited. So thank you so much for such the kind comments and just everything that y'all have said about how excited you are about the new series and about the future projects and just the videos and like, yay, Carrie, you're back. I'm so excited. Like, it just really meant a huge amount to me, and I just want to say a huge thank you for that. Yeah, it really just made my week seeing all of that. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about for this Let's Chat video, and let you know that the course is coming out this coming Friday, September the 22nd, and I've absolutely loved and enjoyed reading the comments and just talking to all of you in the comments. And yeah, y'all have really made my week. I was really nervous about releasing this series, and I'm super excited that y'all are just as excited as I am. So lots of love, y'all. I will let you go, and happy painting, and I will see you next time. Bye.